Hey guys, welcome back to Story on Java. So today let's talk about the singleton design pattern in a Java. So what is the singleton design pattern? So this is one of the most common used design pattern, and it ensures that only one instance of that class is created and it's shared throughout the application. So we have some key concept like we are creating a single instance. We have a private constructor, so no one call from outside the class, so no one can create the object. Okay, and it have a global access point, so we will create one get instance method, which is we will make it as a static, so anyone can call the method using class name. So and this method will return the object of that singleton design pattern. So let's jump into the code and see how it works. So we will create one class for that. Suppose singleton pattern example. Okay, and we will create one class, singleton class. Okay, in that we will define one private variable, uh, private private static, and the which will hold the object of that class. Okay, private static singleton instance. Okay, this reference variable hold the object of singleton class. Okay, and after that we will create the one private constructor, private constructor. Okay, okay, and again we will create one public static method, public static, which will return the object of singleton class. Okay, so we have return type as a singleton and method name as a get instance. Okay, and it will return the object of singleton class. Okay, so firstly we will check if instance is null or not. If instance is null, then only will create equal to null, then and then only we will create the object of singleton class. So we'll create object using new keyword singleton. Okay, okay, so here I have created one private variable, and we have one private constructor, and we have one public static method, which will return the singleton type object. So firstly here we have checked if instance is null or not. If instance is null, then and then only we will create new instance. If instance is not null, then we will simply return the old instance. So here in another class we will call this method. Suppose we want to get the object of the singleton class. Okay, so suppose singleton class we want to get the object. Okay, singleton obj, and we'll call using get instance method. Okay, so it will return the object of singleton class, and if we call the second time as well, okay, obj2 suppose again, and we will call the get instance, so it will return the same object. So we will check as well. Okay, what is happening? Okay, we want to add the main method first. I missed that method. Okay, so we'll cut it and we'll insert into the main method. Okay, and in that we will just print the hash code of the both the object, so we can identify both object is same or not. obj2 dot hash code. Okay, so if I run this program, the both object return the same hash code. Okay, here you can see, so the both the object having same content. So that is the singleton class. So how we can create, we will create a singleton class. Firstly, we want to define one private static variable which is type singleton. We want to create one private constructor. Again, we want to create one get instance method which will return the single time type the class type object, and we will make it as a static, so we can call it using the class name. Okay, so here we have called get instance method using class name. Okay, and if this method is called, then we will check the instance is null or not. If instance is null, then we will create the new instance. If instance is not null, then we will simply return the old instance. So that is the singleton class. So but it is not a thread shape, so how we can do it thread shape? So for that we will create one synchronized block. Okay, synchronized. Okay, that will are the class name dot class. Okay, and in that we will check again if same condition we will check again. Okay, if null, then and then only we will create the new instance. Okay, so this will be thread shape. So what we have changed, we have add one synchronized block, so it will be synchronized, and again we will check the if instance is null, then and then only we will create the new instance. If instance is not null, then we will simply return the old instance. So the if one thread is entered in this block, so another thread will cannot enter into the this block. So this will be thread shape. If I run the program, the same output will be we will get. So this is the thread shape singleton class. So this is all about the singleton class. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video with another useful topic. Until then, keep learning and enjoy coding.